Hi guys, in this tip I will present to you 3 techniques to show through image or pixels from underlying layer in Adobe Photoshop. In my layers panel I have 2 layers, layer with image and underlying layer with paper texture. The first technique to show through underlying image or pixels is to change layer opacity. Ensure that above layer is selected in the layers panel, then lower opacity. That will start partially showing content on underlying layer. The second technique is to apply blend mode to the above layer. Usually for this job most useful are blending modes from contrast group, overlay, soft light and so on. The third technique which I want to present is using advanced blending, the blend if sliders in the layer style dialog. Select above layer, then open layer style dialog by double clicking on the right side of layer. In the layer style dialog, ensure that you see options from blending options tab. At the bottom you will see blend if drop down and 2 rectangles filled with black to white gradients and sliders on each side. Top rectangle with sliders. This layer is controlling above layer or image which you see on the screen. When using sliders you will get effect similar to when applying layer mask. Some portions of the image or pixels on the layer will start disappearing with a result that pixels from underlying layer will show through. To smooth out transition between the two layers, you can split slider. Hold down Alt or Option, then click on slider and drag. This transition is equivalent of gray pixels on the layer mask. Right slider is controlling lighter portion of content on the layer, while left slider is there to control dark portion of the layer. You can use both of them in the same time. Bottom rectangle with blend if sliders can help you reveal or to show pixels from underlying layer. Drag right slider to start revealing lighter portion of underlying layer or drag left slider to start seeing darker portion of underlying layer. Split sliders for smooth transitions. When you are satisfied, click OK to confirm and exit layer style dialog. Let me mention situation when you have solid color pixels on the layer and you want to create see-through effect using pixels on underlying layer. I will use type layer with black solid color fill. In this case, blend if sliders for this layer are not very useful because there isn't tonal range to work with. In situation like this, use blend if sliders for underlying layer. Thanks for watching and cheers. If you have any question or doubt, please do not hesitate to leave comments on YouTube or on my blog Design Easy. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends.